In today's fast-growing refining industry, choosing the right technology makes all the difference. At Carat 24 Project, we offer a complete turnkey solution designed to make gold refining simple, efficient, and profitable. Our systems are available in capacities ranging from 1 kg to 500 kg, making them suitable for small workshops as well as large-scale operations. The entire setup is delivered as a ready-to-run turnkey project, so you don't have to worry about complex installation processes. One of the biggest advantages of our machines is ease of use. No skilled worker is required for installation, and even a non-skilled operator can easily run the system. Maintenance is equally simple. In case of any electrical issue, any local vendor can repair or replace components. The control panel requires no programming or coding, ensuring hassle-free servicing anywhere in the world. Our machines are designed according to the electrical power supply standards of each country, with low power consumption to reduce operational costs. At the heart of our system is a high-quality titanium reactor. Unlike glass reactors, titanium offers a much longer life and does not break during heat or cold reactions. Our unique reactor design ensures faster chemical reactions and better dissolution, improving overall efficiency. We use Italy-made pumps for acid charging and material transfer, ensuring reliability and durability. The scrubber system is designed as per required CFM standards to provide effective scrubbing and even recover gold particles from fumes. All critical components, including pumps, motors, and plastics, are made from imported materials to ensure superior quality. The machine is compact in design, reducing transportation costs significantly. We also provide live installation and training on request, ensuring smooth operation from day one.
Thank you for watching this video.